All right, so if you're putting the bonnet on a TR6, the easiest way to do it is before you put the grill back in, presuming you've taken the grill out before you took the bonnet off. But anyway, before you put the grill back in, all you need to do is get a helper to sort of lay down the bonnet on top of where it's supposed to be. Get everything lined up, get the sides so that you've got even gaps along the whole thing. Even secure it at the back, you know, press it down so that it's sitting in the latch. Once everything is set, then all you have to do is reach underneath through here and you can put the bolts directly in. Now there's some movable plates inside the bonnet, so you may have to get a mirror, kind of look up there and see, all right, let's get it centered so we can get the bolt holes in. But that's it. Tighten down a couple of them, make sure you're using the correct bolts, otherwise you're going to have, it's going to go right through the bonnet, you're going to bend the metal, and obviously you don't want that. But once you get those in, then you can lift up the bonnet, you can install the prop rod to kind of keep it in place, and that's it. So on this car, there's really not a whole lot left. I've got to put the grill back in, I need to hang the bumpers, and I think that's it for this build. So that's kind of my process, or at least on this car, that's how it was. We took this completely down to the frame, pulled the engine and transmission, and did a bunch of welding as you saw in the previous videos, and now it's just about back together. So that's it for this video series. Stay tuned, I'm sure we're going to have more stuff that we're working on coming up. If you have questions, post them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.